let's go over how I made $2,600 in less than an hour on Palantir. If you guys want access to all of these trades, they are in our Discord community for free. If you want access to every single trade that I take, it's normally $50 a month, but we're actually giving the first month away of our premium group completely for free. The goal is that this way you can use our trades, build up capital within your portfolio, and it pays for itself. The link is in the description. Now, taking a look at Palantir, honestly, the reasoning for entering this trade was nothing crazy other than the shit being kicked out of it. We're going to explain why I took the trade and ultimately what my risk profile was. See, the Palantir on the 15 has sold off significantly. I don't like buying dip buys, but I do know that this is a pretty solid level for Palantir, down around 1450, and I said, fuck it, let's see what happens. So we finally saw this bounce and this hold. These phantom candles that you see behind my red candles, these are Heikinashis. So when this is here, we actually have a red Heikinashi. I just have it set as an overlay so I can see both candles. From here, big pop up, but I don't want to enter at the start of this candle because the prior is still a Heikinashi that's red. I don't want to be going against the trend. Start to pop up, and now it's during this time that I'm looking to enter during these consolidations. And I'm not looking for a huge return, guys. I'm looking for potential move back up to the 0.38 fib, to the 0.5, max the 0.618. Now, seeing here that we ended up holding, I entered right around 1457. From there, we pushed up. My first take profit level is at 1475. From there, we continue to run. And where I really wanted to take my profit was up at 1495. From there, at the time, I was like, you know what, fuck it. Like, we're at 1486. I'm up 2% in like an hour and a half. The max I could be up, I think, is another 0.7%. Am I willing to risk a 2% profit for a potential 0.7% extra return? Fuck it. I'm going to close the trade out. I ended up closing out the trade. Now, I still think that Palantir is going to make a lower low here. I was expecting max a push back up to 1515, maybe max 1535. And then from there, draining our way back down to a lower low. And looking at the daily chart, probably landing somewhere around $14 or $13. So overall, guys, that's pretty it. That's simple. I mean, the biggest thing is understanding your risk and setting your stop losses appropriately. When I was entering this trade, my initial, entry trigger, like we were talking about, was that push and that hold up over that level of the 9 SMA and that Heikinashi. My thought was if I enter long here, I take profits up at 15, which is where the 0.38 fib was, and I set a stop loss, maybe down here at 1440, maybe down at 1444. That's a 3-to-1 RVR. That's gravy all day. Thanks for the support, guys. Go check out our Discord community. As always, I'll see you next time. Peace.